Hello fellow gamers and PUBG lovers. कैसे हो तुम? Okay, enough jokes. Now I will show you how to get Falcon on PUBG Mobile Korean version. I will try to make this video short and simple. To do that, you need one app, TVPN. I will put the link in the description. You can get it on Play Store. It's easy. So just open the link. Just open the apps TVPN, and then you can go connect it directly, and you can go to the PUBG apps. But to do that, you have to create a new account. I don't know why it doesn't work on the old account which I have. I also had to delete the old account to create a new account to get that Falcon. It works, don't worry. But if you don't want to delete your old account, you can just create a new account, and I don't know, you can play both, I guess. So that's all. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends, and thank you. Peace.